Guys, Crafty Bro here, and today I'm back with another crafty video. Oh god. Okay. Pretty much building this thing. Get on there. Okay, whatever. I don't need you. Go. Have that sheep's out of the way. No! You kidding me? Get out of the tracks! Okay, we need to do it. Oh, yes. Slob. No. No. Yes. Yes. The paths are cleared. Paths are cleared, guys. I already did it once. Like, ooh, I'm baking a cookie. Oh my god, baking a cookie. Oh my god, I fell and broke my leg. Okay. So, hope you guys like my intros. We ride a horse to my house. It's over there. So ride a horse over there. Ride a horsey. Why not, right? I can fly. All I need is a horsey. I might use gold this time. Well, I need an apple. I need something empty-handed. Okay, he's mine now. Let go. Yeah. Yeah. I am the champion. I am the greatest. Dun dun dun. Dun dun. Dun, 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 oh, dun, no, dun, 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 dun. Okay, I need to get some stuff from my house. Okay, wait, no, wait, whoa. Okay, yo. Okay, let's park it inside, right here. Yeah, right? Whoa! Whoa, baby. Whoa, baby. Baby, girl. Now I can get off? Okay, don't leave me, boy. Where are the fences? Where are the fences? Oh. Green. Like that. Superhead. Yeah, there we go. I like it. Okay, let's just get in my house. Get some stuff. How much for creative? I just got this. I got iron boots. I know for sure. I can make a sword. Yes, I can. I can make a golden sword. I can make a golden sword. Don't need that. I can make a golden sword. Let's just try something. Let's go to the end. We're gonna put the wither inside the end, okay, guys? Here we go. And here we go. Guys, the wither is gonna haunt our land, okay? The wither will haunt us forever. Now these houses are pretty weird. Okay. There's 2 balconies. Like, there's what? It's like make 0 sense, but I don't know why this happens. This is what has been happening in my creative worlds. Like, I just come back. There's like these villagers, these village houses that are like this. It's pretty cool, but yeah, I guess if you want, if this guy has to pay rent for like a very cheap, stupid house, wouldn't you rather live on the bottom floor? I think I would live on the top. It's pretty cool. I've never seen anything like it, so I don't really know how cool it is up there. But it don't look that cool, but I never know. Okay, here we go, guys. Guys, this is gonna be horror, okay? Did I spawn 2? I don't know. Oh god. There we go. Okay. Ready, set, go! Destroy! Yeah. Just go up here, go on this balcony. Watch this. Ha ha ha! So funny. Now I'm gonna shoot it with an arrow. And watch, guys. It won't even do anything. You have like little. Oh no, it does. Kill it. Die, bitch. I'm more powerful than you. Okay. Not survival though. You killed me lots of times, so no. Just regen. Why are you regenning? It's because he's doing stuff. He's got like regeneration. Let's try some poison on him. I don't know if this will work, but it might. I don't know. Okay, poison. I need it sprayed at me. Poison too. Does it even affect him? There we go. Oh, I hope they can be safe. Okay. Hey guys. Oh god, this is pretty awesome. Yeah, we're having a party down here. Hey guys, did you notice the big thing in the sky? I'm sure you did. Oh my god, guys, don't leave! What? Why did you leave? Oh no, I left. Okay. I will save you guys. Okay. Epic music on. Dun. Yeah, guys, I'll be doing some PC. Maybe next month, I think. When I get my PC fixed. Don't kill my friends. They're friendly. I think Wisdom is in there, right? You guys know Wisdom is. He's my doctor. Oh shit! Wisdom! No! 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 Get out! Get out! Get out! Please don't kill that guy. Please don't kill that guy. Please don't kill Wisdom. Please don't kill. Please tell me you didn't kill him. Who's alive? Anybody? Someone who's weapons? You suck. Don't kill him. He's my best friend. I think. We never agreed on it. Yes. Yes. Another star. There we go. Yeah, we won. We won. please hit that subscribe button. Please make sure you guys hit that like button. We're going for 53 likes, maybe 55 likes. Okay, maybe I'll go for 100 likes. Okay, now guys, please hit that subscribe button. I am really scared about this right now. Yeah, I probably got an editing thing, so yeah, you guys might see a little bit more editing in my videos just to make them a little bit better. I know they're probably already good to you, or if you guys want me to edit the videos, just leave in the comments below. I will either way, but I'm just saying. And goodbye.